What's percolating YouTube? It's your boy back with Superstar, and I'm back. And it's been like 3 weeks, 2 weeks, something like that. But I finally got my camera to charge, so I'm finna be pumping out these videos. Just have them set to upload whenever I feel like having them upload. I almost fell, but y'all ain't see that. But this video, I just want to talk about, cause last video I told y'all just like the struggles of starting a new clothing line. So today I'm just gonna give y'all ways to make money to fund that. Cause recently, well, I want to say recently I discovered Depop. This is not a sponsored video by any means necessary, but it's gonna sound like it. But so I'm trying to save up to get a car and save up to start this new brand, and doing them both at the same time is difficult. So I have like a whole bunch of clothes and hats and stuff that I don't wear anymore, or I'm never gonna wear again. So I was like, why not just sell it and then use that money to put it towards my clothing line? So sell clothes, start a clothing line, why not? So I've been putting stuff on Depop. I don't know how many sales I got so far, but I'll probably put like a screen recorded video of my phone up there to show y'all how many things I have up there and what I have up there. The first day I posted on there, one of my hats got put on the explore page like after a day of having it posted. It didn't have any likes, but ever since then I've just been getting likes. I think when the item sold I had like 52 likes. So I don't know how you get on the popular page or the explore page on Depop, but I did it the second day that I was on the app. So I mean, I don't really think it helped sales. I don't think so, because 52 people liked it and nobody bought it until like this morning at like 3:30 in the morning. That was like part of a package deal. Also, the cool thing about Depop is people like go on there and they scroll down everything you have, and they ask you if they want like if you can bundle items together, and they'll buy everything. So last night this guy bought three 5-panel hats and a beanie, so I gave him a deal on that. And then the other day I posted 4 of those cars and Sesame Street shirts, and somebody bought all 4 of those. So, and then a couple of days ago it was 2 brothers that bought something at the same time. Well, not at the same time, like it was like back to back. So I mean, and I normally ship out the same day because I print all the ship labels here at my house. So so Depop has been working out well for me. I think I had like almost $200 on PayPal that I can't touch because I had to make a new PayPal account, and the name I had on my PayPal account is different than the name I had on my bank account. So I had to submit a request name change form on PayPal. Online it said it take 3 to 5 business days. I called PayPal, they said it's gonna take 7 to 10 business days. So whenever that gets resolved, I have $200. And the heat press is $170. I mean, it's been going up and down in price over the past couple of days. Like I have like 800 things in my cart, and excuse the phone, I have like $800 worth of stuff in my cart, and some of the prices, they keep going up and down. Like I got a shipping scale that keep going up and down by like a couple of dollars. The heat press, the label printer, they keep going up and down in price. And then it was something else in there too, I think. But yeah, so so if y'all trying to start a clothing line, or y'all just need extra money, y'all just got clothes sitting around the house or whatnot, just put it up on Depop. Especially if you're a girl. I know the girls be on Depop all the time buying stuff. Like if you go on the explore page, it's nothing but like female clothes. So if you're a female and you need extra money, forget Play-Dohs, forget all that other stuff. Just put your shit on Depop. That shit gonna sell. Trust me. But yeah, I'm finna go to the car lot in a second whenever my mom gets here. and then I might walk around and see what they got. And I mean, I'm going to pick up a car too, so I don't know. We'll see. But I just wanted to let y'all know how I've been making a little bit extra money on the side. So all the money I make from Depop will go straight to my clothing line, and then, well, up until I have enough money to put like a down payment on a car. Even though I really don't have to, but it'll be in my best interest. And then after that, I can start using money I get from my regular job towards my clothing line too. So all in all, and it's so dark in this damn house. I keep walking back and forth. Yeah, all in all, I hope all this shit work out, because PayPal is really holding my damn money hostage, and I don't appreciate that. So yeah, oh, I gotta make a Main Street Brand video again, because I got some shit to talk about them. Anyways, but yeah, I'll talk about that in another video, probably tonight. Probably upload that tomorrow or something. I don't know. So yeah, I see y'all whenever I get to the car lot. All right. Man, this Charger is nice, and they got a Camaro. They just got the lights on all these cars. The one thing about a Camaro, they just too damn small for real. Extra clean, but this 2018. I don't know, man. I don't know, but this Camaro, definitely not, just because it's too small. And they got an Impala. I think I'm off the Impala thing though. I'd rather have this Charger, to be honest. Inside clean too. But the Charger is just so nice. These doors even open? I don't know. Oh, and they had a Challenger too. Let's go to this Challenger. And that bit of RT, and that bit got the racing wheels. I'm back at home now. So the thumbnail and title is probably clickbait, but they ain't no problem. But I will be getting a Charger soon, or a Cadillac, something soon. If not by the end of the year, then definitely in January. So stay tuned for that. And I don't know. Don't forget to use Depop if y'all need some extra money in your pocket. And if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, leave a thumbs down. Comment down below if you sell on Depop, or if you're thinking about it, or if you have any other ways to make some extra money. Share the video, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend to subscribe, because we're on the road to 1K. And until next time, it's your boy Bell Superstar signing out. Y'all be breezy. Alright.